How's it going? You hear that? That's the new audio coming from the Hollyland M2. I'm excited for this piece of gear. I've had bad audio for my first two videos. Hey, I'm not unique to this. All our favorite YouTubers had bad audio in the beginning. Well, this is gonna save me from going through this phase. There's more to it than just recording good sound quality. There's also the post part of it. Prior to this, I personally was using the audio coming out of my in-body camera, and on occasions, I would use my iPhone and then export that, line up the timeline. I mean, the process, right? If you know, you know. This is also great because you get two mics. I mean, you can wear it, give it to somebody else, and get on with it. So what is the Hollyland Lark M2, and what do you get for your money? Right here. In the box, a set of manuals, awesome, some stickers, a way to contact the Hollyland company if you're a really big fan of it. I personally like the stickers. A lot of people go for the incognito look. I'm a big fan of the pop-out smiley face. I might go back and forth, but it's there. Deeper inside, you get a bag. Inside the bag, you have your peripherals, USB-C, your mic, if you want to use it as a webcam, connect it to your iPhone. Everything's basically in there, including earmuffs. Once you put that aside and you get to the main event, I mean, that case, this case, solid. I like what they did here. Personally, the closest thing I've had to this is AirPods Pro cases, and those feel like a piece of jewelry. In a month or so of using it, the case, it looked like we've been through war together. I mean, they're still working, don't get me wrong, but I can't just take them out in public and put them down anyway. I gotta hide those joints. So this, I hope, does a better job at surviving. I'm optimistic. Inside, you get two receivers, your mic, and that's it. You just take it out, put it on. The whole setting up process takes 5 seconds. Personally, the hardest part for me is opening the port on my camera because I have a cage on it, so it's so finicky. It takes me about 20 seconds, but it should take around like 5 seconds to put it together. First impression so far of the sound quality, I mean, this is here. I'm coming from, my expectations were low. As you can see, it's very foggy out here in the morning. So here's the audio test outdoors. I'm gonna walk away from the camera and just keep checking if the audio is still coming through. This is around like 15 feet away. Sounds good, let me know. Taking it further. Oh, so many leaves. Okay. This is around 30 feet away. Keep going. We're getting deeper. This is around 50, maybe 60 feet away. I'm gonna go to the end of this. I expect the sound to be coming through, so at this distance, you might as well be recording with a satellite. So if it's coming through, we're perfect. I'm gonna put my hand in front of it and just check if the sound drops with a hand in front of it, and then turn around. Coverage. My morning sweat, exercise, and that's it. So the audio quality from this is excellent at long distances, close up, and you can pick up any ASMR type sound by just attaching it to something like a hat or plastic if you want to get that kind of sound again, and you can be far away from the camera and still get that wide shot while getting quality sound. I will say it's amazing. It's going to cut down my workflow, create better sound, and that is that first jump from being a beginner YouTuber to the next level. Who's this for? If you're coming from another mic setup, definitely watch some comparison videos. If you're coming from in-body audio or iPhones, this is going to be great, and you can achieve so much with this setup. That is it for this video. Definitely subscribe, drop a like, drop any comments. Also let me know, I'm curious to know, do you have any tips for how to handle the audio coming out of this in post and get it clean and clear? Because that beginner audio, man, that beginner YouTuber audio, you gotta beat that to make that next growth step. So I'm on that journey. Stay subscribed to see where it goes.